Fruits names start with J. Juniper berry fruit. Jaboticaba. Jocote fruit. Jostaberry. Jicama fruit. Jujube. Jamaica cherry. Japanese pear. Jackfruit. Japanese pear. Japanese persimmon fruit. Jamon fruit. Jamaican tangelo. Hello. Welcome. Have a wonderful day. Dear all, today we are learning English for alphabets letter A to Z. We will start our English class for fruits. Fruits names start with J. All the fruits name that starts with K are listed here. You will get a chance to improve your fruits vocabulary. It will be a wonderful lesson for beginners. Must read fruits that start with J. J. U. N. I. P. E. R. B. E. R. R. Y. F. R. U. I. T. Juniper berry fruit. Juniper berry fruit is a flavorful, exotic fruit that is native to parts of Asia and Europe. It has been used for centuries as a culinary ingredient and in traditional medicine. The berry has a unique flavor, which can be described as tart and spicy with hints of pine. J. A. B. O. T. I. C. A. B. A. Jaboticaba. Jaboticaba is a delicious and juicy fruit native to Brazil. It boasts an impressive array of health benefits, making it a great addition to any healthy diet. The unique purple-black colored fruit has a sweet flavor and can be eaten either fresh or juiced. J. O. C. O. T. E. F. R. U. I. T. Jocote fruit. Jocote fruit is a popular tropical fruit, native to Central and South America. It is closely related to other fruits like the mango, lychee, and guava. Jocote has a unique flavor that is both sweet and sour, making it an ideal ingredient for refreshing drinks or various dishes. J. O. S. T. A. B. E. R. R. Y. Jostaberry. Jostaberry is a unique and delicious berry that you may have not heard of before. A hybrid of black currants and gooseberries, this fruit has its own unique flavor profile and nutritional benefits. Many people are beginning to recognize the amazing qualities of jostaberries, which can be eaten fresh or used in baking recipes. J. I. C. A. M. A. F. R. U. I. T. Jicama fruit. Jicama fruit, also known as Mexican yam or Mexican turnip, is a unique root vegetable with a crisp texture and sweet flavor. Originating in Mexico and Central America, jicama is now cultivated in many tropical and subtropical regions throughout the world. Its unique taste has made it popular in salads, stir-fries, soups, and other dishes. J. U. J. U. B. E. Jujube. Jujube is an ancient fruit with a long history in traditional medicine. Native to South and Southeast Asia, the small round fruits have been used for centuries to treat anxiety, insomnia, and even indigestion. The health benefits of jujube can be attributed to its high nutritional content. It contains significant amounts of vitamin C, fiber, riboflavin, and manganese, as well as antioxidants that can help protect against free radicals, which cause oxidative stress and damage. J. A. M. A. I. C. A C H E R R Y. Jamaica cherry. Jamaica cherries are a unique, tropical fruit native to Jamaica. They have a deep purplish-red hue and an acidic flavor. The size of a Jamaica cherry ranges from small to large, and the inside is made up of soft, pink flesh with a seed in the center. J A C K F R U I T. Jackfruit. Jackfruit is a tropical fruit native to Southeast Asia, and it is gaining more attention as a health food. It has been compared to pulled pork in texture and can be used in many vegan dishes. Jackfruit is packed with nutrients and can provide numerous health benefits. J A P A N E S E P E A R. Japanese pear. Japanese pear, also known as nashi or Asian pear, is a unique and versatile fruit that has become increasingly popular in recent years. Native to Japan and China, Japanese pears are characterized by their round shape and juicy flesh. Unlike other pears, they have a thick skin that must be peeled off before eating. The flavor is sweet with a slight crunchy texture, making it an ideal snack or accompaniment to salads and other dishes. J A P A N E S E P E R S I M M O N F R U I T. Japanese persimmon fruit. Japanese persimmon fruit, also known as kaki or hachiya, is a type of sweet and delicious fruit that is native to China but has been cultivated in Japan for centuries. This exotic tropical fruit has long been beloved by Japanese culinary connoisseurs due to its unique flavor and texture. The tree itself can grow up to 30 feet tall, with glossy green leaves that turn yellow and orange during the fall season when the persimmons are ripe and ready to be harvested. J A M B U L F R U I T. Jamble fruit. Jamble fruit, also known as the Java plum or black plum, is a tropical evergreen tree that grows throughout many parts of India and Southeast Asia. The fruit has long been used in Ayurveda medicine to treat diabetes, indigestion, jaundice, piles, and kidney stones. It is a small oval-shaped bright red or purple berry with a hard seed inside and tastes sweet and sour when ripe. The jamble tree can grow up to 10 meters in height with leathery leaves that have an elliptical shape and are typically 6 to 7 centimeters in length. J A M A I C A N T A N G E L O. Jamaican tangelo. Jamaican tangelo is a unique citrus fruit that has been enjoyed by Jamaicans for centuries. It is an unusual hybrid of grapefruit, mandarin, and tangerine that grows in the Caribbean islands. Its sweet and tart flavor makes it an incredibly enjoyable snack or ingredient for many recipes. J A V A P L U M. Java plum. Java plum, or Syzygium kamini, is a species of evergreen tree native to India and Sri Lanka. The plant can reach heights of up to 30 feet tall, with an erect trunk and spreading branches. In addition to its use as an ornamental tree in parks and gardens, this versatile fruit tree offers many medicinal benefits.
Thanks for watching. We will meet next video. Good luck and goodbye. Please like, share, subscribe. Nandri. Vanakkam.